Republic Day is not just a celebration. It is a day to help children understand the values on which our nation is built. Through simple activities, students can learn about equality, responsibility, unity, and love for the country. Here are meaningful Republic Day activities that teachers and parents can easily conduct with students in 2026. Activity 1. Right of Equality Chart Making. Students can create a chart showing equality between male and female personalities of India. They can include leaders, scientists, sportspersons, and artists. This activity helps children understand that everyone deserves equal respect and opportunities. Activity 2. Obey Traffic Rules Awareness Activity. Students can make a traffic light using chart paper or waste materials. Teachers can explain the meaning of red, yellow, and green signals. This activity teaches road safety, discipline, and responsible behavior. Activity 3. Swachh Bharat Activity. Students can make recycle bins using cardboard boxes or plastic bottles. They can label them as dry waste and wet waste. This activity promotes cleanliness, hygiene, and proper waste management. Activity 4. Mini Handmade Indian Constitution Booklet Making. Students can prepare a small booklet showing basic fundamental rights and duties. Teachers can explain these points in simple language. This helps students understand the importance of the Indian Constitution. Activity 5. Duty to Preserve Indian Heritage. Students can make simple models of monuments of India like Konark Sun Temple, Red Fort, or India Gate. They can also write 1 or 2 facts about each monument. This activity develops respect for India's rich history and cultural heritage. Activity 6. Dress up as favorite political leader. Students can dress up as leaders who contributed to the nation. They can introduce themselves and speak a few lines about the leader's role in India's progress. This builds confidence and awareness about national leaders. Activity 7. Handprint Indian Flag Art Making. Students can use handprints and colors to create the Indian national flag. Teachers can explain the meaning of saffron, white, green, and the Ashoka Chakra. This activity encourages creativity and patriotic feeling. Activity 8. Green India Activity. Students can create eco-friendly crafts using waste materials or plant a sapling in school or at home. They can learn about saving trees, water, and the environment. This activity promotes responsibility towards nature. Activity 9. Dress up from different parts of Indian states. Students can wear traditional dresses from various states of India. They may also share the name of the state and its culture. This activity highlights India's unity in diversity. Activity 10. My Dream, India in the Future. Students can make a collage showing how they imagine India in the future. They can include ideas about education, cleanliness, technology, peace, and equality. This activity encourages positive thinking and a sense of responsibility. These activities help students learn citizenship through creativity and participation. Republic Day becomes meaningful when children understand their role in building a better nation. Let us guide them to become responsible citizens of India. Happy Republic Day 2026. Jai Hind.